Have you ever wondered why some students always seem calm, organized, and ready for school, while others are rushing every morning? The secret isn't waking up at 5 a.m. It's having a simple morning routine that helps you start your day feeling prepared, fresh, and confident. In this video, I'll show you 15 simple morning routine tips that can make your school mornings much easier and less stressful. Let's get started. Tip 1. Wake up early. Try waking up at least 30 to 45 minutes before school. Extra time means no rushing and a peaceful start to your day. Tip 2. Avoid your phone. Don't check social media as soon as you wake up. Let your brain fully wake up first before looking at notifications. Tip 3. Make your bed. Making your bed takes less than 2 minutes, but it instantly makes your room look clean and organized. Tip 4. Open your curtains. Let natural sunlight into your room. It helps your body wake up naturally and improves your mood. Tip 5. Drink water. After sleeping all night, your body is dehydrated. Drink a full glass of water to refresh your system. Tip 6. Brush your teeth. Take your time and brush properly. Good hygiene is equal to fresh confidence for the whole day. Tip 7. Take a quick shower. A quick morning shower can help you wake up faster and feel refreshed before school. Use your favorite body wash to feel clean, fresh, and ready for the day ahead. Tip 8. Wash your face. After your shower, wash your face with a gentle face wash or cool water. It helps remove oil and sleepiness, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. Tip 9. Get dressed properly. Put on your school uniform and make sure everything looks neat and comfortable. Taking a few extra minutes to get ready properly can help you feel more confident and prepared for school. Tip 10. Eat a healthy breakfast. Before heading to school, make sure to eat a healthy breakfast. Foods like fruits, eggs, milk, toast, or oats can give your body and brain the energy they need for the day. Tip 11. Brush your hair. Take a few minutes to brush your hair neatly. You can also try simple cute hairstyles like ponytail, braids, half-up style. Looking neat can boost your confidence instantly. Tip 12. Check your timetable. Quickly check your schedule for the day. Know your subjects so you feel prepared in class and avoids last-minute stress. Tip 13. Pack your school bag. Before leaving, take a moment to pack your school bag carefully. Make sure you have all your books, notebooks, homework, stationery, and water bottle ready for the day. Tip 14. Quick revision. If you have time, revise quickly. Just glance at notes or formulas, no pressure, just light review. Tip 15. Set a simple goal. Before leaving, decide one small goal for the day. Like, today I will focus in class, or I will complete my homework on time. Remember, you don't need a perfect morning routine. You just need simple habits that help you feel calm, fresh, and ready for school. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more student tips, routines, and study videos. Your future self will thank you.